If you wonder how you can check your heart rate on the Google Pixel Watch 3, there's like two methods. The first one, you can actually set the watch face with this heart rate widget. And now when I'm gonna put it on my hand, I will actually get some information. Take a look. I've got 67 beat rate per minute right now, but let's say that you are not using this widget on your watch face and you want to, for example, put it on the tiles and you want to click and then start measuring. So what you have to do is just to open the Google Play Store, which is located right here. You will have to click on the search and you will have to search for Google Fit. Google Fit. Right now you will have to install this application on your watch, and after this we will get the extension that will allows us to actually click and simply measure our heart rate. So as you can see, I was actually about to say that we have to wait for this installation process, and I would like to speed up this video, but it goes really fast. So now just wait a few seconds for the installation process, and now we can finally open it. We have to accept, all of these permissions right here. We have to choose our Google account. Keep tapping right here on these arrows to accept everything that pops on the screen, like one by one. Select while using an application, track this activity, another one, and another one. Just grant permission for everything for the Google Fit. There's your profile, you can edit this right now if you want. Here are some health points. Okay, and it looks like that it's finished. Now when I'm gonna tap on it, I can put my watch on the wrist, and we should get some heart rate in a few moments. Okay, we have to scroll down and tap measure. That was actually my bad. As you can see right now, it started measuring my heart rate. Of course, the result might be not correct because I'm not putting it properly. But as you can see, I've got 64 beat rate per minute. And also, as I said before, you can try to put it on your tile. So you will have to click and hold on the tile. Click here and keep scrolling until you find the Google Fit extension, which is located here. So we can tap on it once, click on it. And as you can see right now, by clicking on this arrow icon, you can start reading your heart rate. And this is this second way how you can do this. And it will be all. Thanks for watching. Right now, please subscribe.